Hi everyone, I am Emilia Vuorela from Pemamek. I am the global head of marketing. We are a Finnish-based company and we have over 400 experts working in the heavy metal industry. We design and develop welding automation solutions for the heavy industry, and in all our solutions we look to improve our customers' production capabilities and of course the overall capacity. At FABTECH we showcase our robot welding station that is designed specifically for the heavy manufacturers, and of course our innovative software that is at the core of each of our solutions. This specific station has the innovative scan feature, which scans, and with laser scanning we are able to have very precise grooves and through that have a very high quality welding as well.